Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and our mission today to solve or to factor this trinomial or quadratic trinomial. Now to solve any quadratic trinomial, firstly we have to make sure the coefficient of x squared is 1, but here it is not 1, okay? So I need to rid of the 6 from the equation or minimize it, as I said to my student. So if you try to divide by 6 all the terms, you figure out here and here not working, so you have to rid of this idea from your head. Then the second option, you can minimize or compress the trinomial here. I mean by compressed or minimize is divide this by 2 by 2 by 2, and it is work, it is work, it is work. So the 6 will be 3 and x squared plus 13x plus 4. So this is the first advice for my students. Now actually I still have coefficient not 1 for the x squared, which is 3, so you have to use your gun. Use your gun, my dear student. It is multiply a by c. Okay, multiply a by c. This is the a multiplied by c. So the equation will be x squared plus 13x plus 12. And I will remind myself that I need the 3 later. Yes, I call this is فتحية. Okay, فتحية, keep the 3 with here and waiting. Okay, me, if I finish how to factoring this, I will call the 3 later. Okay, my dear student. Now, as I led my dear students, actually, I draw like this. This is the first step. See, it's very hard. And put 1x here and 1x here. Now about the sign, look at the C sign. If it is positive, that means the same, and both of them are positive. So here positive and here positive, and the life is very beautiful for my kids. Now the last step here, I'm looking for the 12. Ask about the original of the 12 or factoring the 12. Call it what you want. So the 12, it's come from where, ya Rayyan?
4 and 3.
Only?
And 12 and 1.
Great.
And 6 and 2.
Nice. And actually one of those two factors, our pair of factors, is correct. But how I can decide it or determine which pair is work? I will try adding only because we have the same sign and connected with the middle, which is this one. Okay, if I get the sum of this or this or this 13, this is the pair. Which one are again?
12 multiply 1.
So it is 12 and 1. And Fathi is still waiting, okay? So now I am free to put the 3, I'm free to put the 3 under the 1 or the 12. You are free to choose one. I will choose the 12 because the 12 is it is a multiple of 3. But if I put it under the 12, I need to put it front of this x. Okay. Okay. Now, as you see, 12 divided by 3, it is 4. I'll write 4 here and close this thing, and we're done. Are you happy with that?
Yes.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.